Free science lessons. Cells. Organisms can be prokaryotes or eukaryotes. All living things are made up of cells. Cells can be either prokaryotic or eukaryotic. Eukaryotic cells are complex and include all animal and plant cells. Prokaryotic cells are smaller and simpler. For instance, bacteria. Eukaryotes are organisms that are made up of eukaryotic cells, and a prokaryote is a prokaryotic cell. Plant and animal cells have similarities and differences. The different parts of a cell are called subcellular structures. Most animal cells consist of the following subcellular structures. Make sure you know them all. The nucleus contains genetic material that controls the activities of the cell. The cell membrane holds the cell together and controls what goes in and out. The cytoplasm is a gel-like substance where most of the chemical reactions happen. Mitochondria is where most of the reactions for aerobic respiration take place. Respiration transfers the energy that the cell needs in order to function properly. Ribosomes are where proteins are made in the cell. Here is an example of an animal cell. Plant and animal cells have similarities and differences. Plant cells usually have all the bits that animal cells have, plus a few extra things that animal cells don't have. For example, a rigid cell wall, a permanent vacuole, and chloroplasts. Photosynthesis occurs in chloroplasts, which makes food for the plant. These chloroplasts contain a green substance called chlorophyll, which absorbs the light needed for photosynthesis. A rigid cell wall is made of cellulose, which supports the cell and strengthens it. The permanent vacuole contains cell sap, a weak solution of sugar and salt. Here is an example of a plant cell. Bacterial cells are much smaller. Bacterial cells don't have a true nucleus. Instead, they have a single circular strand of DNA that floats freely in the cytoplasm. They may also contain one or more small rings of DNA called plasmids. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like, and share.